Are we on?
Ooh.
Oh, it is recording. 19? Is that what I've got on it? It's been a while, hasn't it, Clara?
Unicorn! Unicorn!
About a month, maybe more. I was supposed to put that video up of that Rocket Man figure, but I haven't done that yet. So we do this one first. Do you know what it is, Clara?
Nope, unicorn!
It's not a unicorn.
It's a pink fluffy unicorn dancing on rainbow.
This arrived today, and so did another one.
Aren't I invisible? I'm not even in my car.
One first. This arrived.
Dad, I'm invisible.
Where did I get this from?
I'm in my chair, but you can't
Hong Kong.
see me. I'm in my chair, but you can't see me.
Can't I see you?
You can't see me now. I'm in my chair, but you can't see me. Because I'm invisible.
Here it is. Do you know what it is, Clara?
No. What is it?
Hot Toys Deathstroke. What's wrong?
I'm scary.
Why are you scared? Because the word death. Huh? This is from the game. How long ago did that game come out?
Pink fluffy unicorn dancing on rainbow.
4 years ago? 5 years ago? It's ages since I played the game. I can't remember it. I remember the character. When did this character first come out in the comic books? I think was it the 80s? Something like that. So, let's have a look what we got.
I'm in my chair.
This cover just opens like that. Is there any? Has it got a magnet on it?
Hi. I'm in my
Yes,
chair.
little magnet there. There's the box art on the inside.
That's really scary.
It's lovely.
No, I don't like it.
You don't like it?
I don't like it.
I thought it was really nice. I just like the colours, you know?
Boom.
Orange and blue. There's nothing really that I've got that's those kind of colours. It's nice.
I'm in my chair.
And the design, the face.
Look, I'm touching it.
The mask.
Okay.
What are you doing?
I'm in my chair.
You're in your chair?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can't see.
Let's get this one out as quickly as possible. Let's see what's inside here. Right.
I'm gonna go invisible now. Yay! I'm invisible. I'm invisible. I'm gonna go invisible now, okay?
You can go invisible again?
Yeah!
That's the box. It's a raised. This part is raised, so you can feel a bit of a texture to it. Nice.
I'm a butterfly.
Oh yeah, she's got some what they call chrysalids, caterpillars, and now they're changing into butterflies, aren't they? Or they will do in about a couple of weeks. So they're there inside their net, and eventually they're nice little
I want to eat that food.
child to learn about.
I heard on the internet that caterpillar food is edible.
Edible.
I'm joking.
So here it's got a little stand with it that you can
I'm gonna
fire
go
off
invisible
like
now.
that.
Boom.
Little stand. Yeah, if you want to put them on that stand. Clara, Clara, Clara.
I'm gonna go invisible now.
There's so much stuff over in that corner there. They've got the Millennium Falcon there that we're building at the moment. I'd stopped for about a week because somebody had said, well, I want to put lights in, something just easier if you put the lights in while you're building it. So, but then I thought, no, I'll just finish it and then I'll get lights some a later date. I've got some really big Lego sets I've got to put lights on. Ferris wheel, the big roller coaster, they look great with all the batteries and the lights going around. We'll start getting this room together a bit more.
I'm gonna go. I'm invisible now. Boom.
Oh.
Hi.
So Clara, look at this. It's got so much here. It's really nice. Yeah, he's got some grenades. Look at all those hands, guns.
I don't like it. I'm gonna go invisible now. Bye bye.
Oh, that's lovely. I can't remember what all these bits are called. Alright. Just have to be careful, you see, because I've done so many times where I've put the box up and everything's just tipped out and fallen out. Just have to be careful getting all
Can you hear
these.
my footsteps?
I can. What's this here?
I can't see me because I'm invisible.
I can can hear, but I can't see because you're invisible. I see. So it's not to get damaged. They tape the material at the back. So you have to be careful. If you're taking it out, don't just pull it out because it's all taped up. The back. Lucky I didn't wrench it. I probably would have ended up pulling it out. So now you can take it out. Just be careful of that, yeah? Because otherwise you could end up... Here's your stand. Laura, could you help me?
Yeah.
Just come round. Just so it doesn't drop. Just hold him by here. Just by there. Just so it doesn't fall. You can use both hands if you want. Just while I get the stand ready. And then we can do a little close-up, you know?
Can I play Club Penguin again?
Club Penguin?
No, I'm not playing.
We've got one more video to do, Clara.
No.
It won't take long. I like doing this, and we used to love doing this when we were little. Do you remember our first video? How many years ago was that now?
I don't know.
God.
2 years ago?
Well, like a pensioner. No, it'd be, I can't remember, 2, 3 years ago. I can't believe it, you know. Time flies. It does, Clara. You was little. Really little.
Yeah, and I was eating cake.
You were eating cake?
I think
It was in October. Was it September, October?
I think it was a couple of days after just like his birthday.
You're right. Yeah, no, you're right. Yeah, you've got a good brain. Good memory. Very clever. It was. It was probably about, what year was it? 3 years ago, maybe nearly 4 now. This year, I don't know, but it's crazy.
I'm not 4. I'm 8 this year.
When we did that, it's just nuts how fast time flies. You know, you have to enjoy every minute of life.
I'm 369
years old.
Joking.
Seriously, Claire, before you know it, it'll be Christmas again.
Really?
Yeah.
I better start getting my stuff packed. I'm going invisible.
Were you going on holiday?
Yeah. I'm going on holiday to Antarctica. So I can go on the Club Penguin.
The penguin holiday. Right, let's get this out. Let's take this off his head.
And I can go on my
that's beautiful. I love that. Really like that. It's just so different, isn't it?
I'm invisible.
You're invincible?
I'm invisible, not invincible.
Maybe you're invincible as well.
What does it say?
Maybe you're invincible as well.
What does that mean?
Can I ask you a question? Don't spoil it for me. What did you prefer? Endgame or Infinity War?
Infinity War.
Good. Same here. Don't say anything back because it's not fair. Some people haven't watched it yet.
Alright.
Right. So what we're going to do, then we're going to do a little close-up, get the book out and see what is what, which goes where, who goes first, who's on first, who's on second.
Who's on third, who's on fourth and who's on fifth.
Okay.
Hi. You can't see me because I'm invisible.
So here he is, close up.
I don't like that.
I think it's brilliant. I love it. These game ones are really nice.
Wait, is he
from the game?
Infinite?
Who? Arkham Origins.
I thought Infinite
Look,
was
that's
the
nice, isn't it? His eye poking
Infinite.
through there. Great. Look at the damage on it. Battle damaged. That's nice, isn't it? Oh, lovely. I'm really happy that I picked this one up. I just love the colours. The blue and orange.
Now I'm invisible. Hello.
Hello. Watch where you walk. Don't want you to hurt yourself or fall over.
I'm going to go invisible.
So look at all that stuff I've got there.
Bye-bye.
All boxes and Lego and stuff. I really have to sort this room out and start arranging things. Get it all done nicely. There we are.
Can we do next review tomorrow?
No, we'll do it in a minute. Then you'll be finished. And then you can go back and play your game. And I'm trying do little. I might try and do some more of that Falcon, which is epic.
As long as we've been playing.
This is nice. Look down there.
As long as we've been doing this review.
Yeah.
You have to add on to my time of playing Club Penguin.
Yeah, you can play it, and then we'll do a little bit of lessons in a while. And here's all the accessories. This is his staff. There we are, and there's pictures for it. How to equip the staff. Here's accessories. Now I like it when you've got all the accessories in a little pack like that, because if you can just put that lid back on and just put it in a box with other stuff. Some of them, when you've got big pieces, little bit loads of, it's difficult. That I can just put that on and put that in the big box. This is another chest plate, so you can change it round. It looks very similar, doesn't it? They're both battle damaged, but this is slightly different, isn't it? Yeah. I don't see, in a way, I don't see the point of that one, because they're both damaged. What's the point of having? Is there any real point in having it? 2 stars of chest armor. Normal armor, battle damage. Well, they're both battle damaged, aren't they? Look, damage, damaged. Just a slight size difference, really, isn't it? I don't see, you know what, I don't really see the point of that one. It looks the same. It's the same, in the same places. Really crazy. Anyway, so here are the accessories. You've got gun. How many different hands? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
I'm invisible.
7.
Boo. Boo.
Utility belt.
Boo.
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 Good girl. Utility belt, Clara.
What's a utility belt?
You put all your utility bits in it. You can put little things in it. Look, grenades, you can put them in there. See the grenades?
Can you put computers in there?
Well, they have to be small enough. Well, a phone's a computer nowadays, isn't it?
No.
That goes over there. You pull the head off and then you slide it over. Remote claw. There you are. That's that there. Weapons, grenades, little grenades there. These grenades. It's a small little bomb in a way. It's grenades, and you pull the pin and you throw it at somebody, and it'll kill them. You go boom. Well, no, you don't. These aren't real ones; they're pretend ones, Carl. And there's some little extra pegs. That's it. So that's a quick look at it, really. Yeah, very nice. And now we'll do another one. So thanks for watching. Where are you going? Don't go.
You scared me.
Alright. Bye. Quickly.
Bye. I'm invisible. I'm invisible.
Here we are. Deathstroke.